I have some mukbangs, I have some vlogs, I have some cooking and some talks.
This is Ice sleeping. He snores just like a person. Guys, look at Ice under the table. I don't know why he likes to sit on the chairs like that. He's a piece of work. Puppy, why are you under there? Come out of there. This is Adrian giving Ice some tortilla chips that he shouldn't really be having, but get his attention, Adrian, so you can give him some.
Hey, buddy.
He's dropping them in his mouth. He's really not supposed to be having tortilla chips because he's like a grain isn't really not his thing, but of course you see, just like human beings, he likes to eat the things he's not supposed to have. But he's a good puppy. Hey, puppy. Ice. Puppy. 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 He not really paying me attention. Okay. I just want to show you guys Ice. I'm going to put together a nice video. And this is Adrian. Me and Adrian's working on our book. Adrian, get your book. Oh. Show your book. Me and Adrian is on our second book for the school year. But this is not about Adrian, so we'll talk about the book another time. But that's Ice eating Adrian's book.
It's Fredo Ice?
Yes, this is Adrian's new book that we're reading right now. Yeah, me and Adrian do homework every night. Is our thing. Okay? All right,
Love you guys.
Did you just wipe that dish towel with the dog after the dog licked your hands?
Yes, I did.
I'm gonna go ahead and tell you, don't do that again. Go ahead and wash your hands.
Yes, Mom.
You gotta love kids. Adrian, what you want to say to everybody, to all the
Hello,
QTs?
guys. Hello, QTs. And yeah, I love you guys. So I hope you guys smash this like button and subscribe and hit the notification bell. And peace.
Guys, look, this is my puppy Ice. He is so cute. He is a blue-nosed pit. As you can see, he's being very nice right now. Sitting here staring into the light, I guess. He is really listening and sitting here. He is 2 years old. He is, again, he's a blue-nosed pit bull terrier. He's such a sweet dog. Very busy, though. Very much like a puppy. Sit, puppy. Sit, Ice. Sit down, buddy. Sit. Ice. Sit. Good job. You're showing everybody how cute you are, puppy. Ice. Say hi to the people. Say hi, cuties. Okay, I guess you're getting tired. You want to come up with Mom? Huh? You want to come with Mom? Come on. Come on, pup, pup. Come on, pup. Come on, pup. Come on, pup. Oh, look at pup. Nope, get out of there. Oh, look at puppy. Look at mommy's little puppy. You want to be on video, pup? Look how blue his eyes are. His eyes are sky blue. Gray coat. A good dog. Nice and strong. He didn't do his ears because he's our doggy. He don't need his ears pinned or his tail cut. I like him just how he was. That's how he was born. That's how he wanted to stay. Okay, guys. I think he's getting tired now. All right, bye.
I have some mukbangs, I have some vlogs, I have some cooking and some talks. I need you to like, I need you to share, I need you to subscribe, please.